Hey everyone, today we embark on an exciting journey to unravel the secrets of crafting an exceptional brand. Join me as we delve deep into the intricacies, unveiling the threads that weave a compelling brand promise and shape the very essence of brand perception. Let us dive into the cornerstone of brand building, the brand premise. It is not merely a tagline, it is the heartbeat of your brand. Here is a comprehensive guide, a roadmap, if you will. Craft a robust brand promise that not only echoes but resonates with your audience. Crafting a brand promise. Step 1 brings us to the essence of specificity. Your brand promise should function as a guiding beacon, clearly illuminating the unique experience you offer. Take Revlon, for example, with its invitation for customers to feel like a woman. Make this promise truly resonate, it is essential to delve into specifics, defining precisely what the feeling entails. Specificity transforms your promise from a vague notion into a vivid and compelling commitment. Moving on to step 2, we emphasize the importance of uniqueness. In a sea of brands vying for attention, what sets yours apart? Consider the example of M&M's, enticing consumers with the promise that their candies melt in your mouth, not in your hands. This not only tantalizes the taste buds but distinctly sets them apart in a crowded market. Uniqueness is the secret sauce that ensures your brand promise stands out amidst the competition. Step 3 introduces the concept of quantifiability. Make your promise tangible, consider incorporating measurable elements. Geico's assurance that 15 minutes or less can save you 15% or more on car insurance adds a quantifiable aspect, making the promise concrete and compelling. Quantifiable promises not only provide clarity but also instill a sense of trust and reliability. Lastly, step 4 emphasizes the use of actionable language. Invoke a sense of action through your promise. Take Disney, for instance, with its commitment to creating happiness through magical experiences. This is not just a string of words, it is a call to actively engage with the brand's enchanting world. Actionable language inspires a connection with your audience, encouraging them to participate in the fulfillment of their promise. Crafting a brand promise is an art and a science, a delicate balance of specificity, uniqueness, quantifiability, and actionable language. Join us as we continue to demystify the art of brand crafting, ensuring your promises resonate deeply with your audience. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of brand building. Key attributes recap. Crafting a compelling brand promise involves being specific, unique, quantifiable, and using actionable language. These elements collectively breathe life into your brand, making it distinctive and memorable. Moving beyond the realm of words, let us venture into the profound territory of emotions, shaping brand perception. It is not solely about what you say, it is about the emotions you evoke and how you make your audience feel. Join us for an intricate guide as we explore the art of strategically sculpting your brand's image, ensuring that every touchpoint resonates deeply with your audience. Stay tuned for insightful strategies that transcend words and connect with the hearts of your customers. Shaping brand perception. Step 1 underscores the power of show, don't just tell. Paint a vivid picture through visuals and experiences that seamlessly align with your brand promise. If your promise revolves around adventure, immerse your audience in thrilling visuals and real-life experiences that embody the spirit of excitement and exploration. In Step 2, we explore the importance of a consistent brand identity. Imagine your brand as a symphony. Consistency across all touchpoints is the melody. Whether it is your website, social media, or advertisements, visual harmony builds recognition and reinforces your brand identity. Consistency is the key, creating a lasting and unmistakable impression. Moving on to Step 3, we emphasize authenticity and honesty. Every interaction should serve as a genuine reflection of your brand promise. If your brand vows transparency, showcase it authentically in your communication and actions. This authenticity not only earns trust but cultivates loyalty, creating a lasting bond with your audience. Finally, Step 4 underscores the importance of emotional connection. Weave a tapestry of emotions through storytelling. Share narratives that not only resonate but leave an indelible mark on your audience. By creating a profound emotional connection tied to your brand promise, you ensure that your brand becomes more than a product or service. It becomes an integral part of your audience story. Shaping brand perception is a nuanced art that combines visual storytelling, consistency, authenticity, and emotional resonance. Join us as we continue to unravel the layers of brand building, ensuring that every facet of your brand leaves a lasting impression. Stay tuned for more insights into the intricate world of crafting brand perception. Digital transformations. Now, let us transcend the physical realm and venture into the digital landscape, where your brand's impact can be amplified exponentially. In this digital age, your online presence is pivotal. Here is a meticulous guide to navigate the complexities of the digital realm. Step 1 urges you to embrace social media. Beyond being a mere broadcasting platform, social media is a dynamic space for two-way communication. Engage with your audience, actively listen to their feedback, and respond proactively. By fostering a community around your brand, you not only build loyalty but also gain valuable insights into the preferences and expectations of your audience. Moving on to step 2, we emphasize the importance of optimizing for mobile. In a world where accessibility is key, your brand should be available anytime, anywhere. Optimize your website and content to deliver seamless experiences across various devices, ensuring that your brand is always within arm's reach of your audience. Step 3 introduces the concept of harnessing automation and AI. In this era of innovation, leverage technology to enhance customer experiences, automate routine tasks, freeing up resources for more meaningful interactions. Additionally, utilize artificial intelligence or AI for personalized engagement, reinforcing your brand message and creating a more tailored and engaging experience for your audience. In the digital age, the intersection of technology and brand strategy is a potent force. Join us as we continue to unravel the dynamics of digital transformations, providing you with insights and strategies to navigate the ever-evolving landscape of the online world. Stay tuned for more in-depth guidance on mastering the digital realm and ensuring your brand's resonance in the digital era. Congratulations on successfully navigating the intricate steps of building an exceptional brand, crafting a compelling promise, strategically shaping perception, and embracing digital transformations. As you embark on your brand building journey, keep in mind that consistency serves as the compass, authenticity acts as the guide, and your brand promise remains the heartbeat, pulsating through every interaction. Stay true to your brand's essence, and may your journey be filled with resonance, impact, and lasting connections. Best of luck on your brand building adventure. That's it for today. This concept resonated with you? Then stay tuned for our next video where I will introduce how to successfully navigate digital transformation, meeting consumer expectations. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on to the next one.